Good morning, people. We are doing some home renovations at my house. My mom's here, Gaga, and Hazel is learning like instantly. She's ready to use tools and she's bringing us all the tools. She's hammering stuff. Check it out.
Oh, get it,
Good
girl.
job.
Get it, girl. Wow, there you go. Okay, get this one over here. Let's put it over here. Okay, get this one now. Get your hammer. Here's your hammer. Get the hammer. Hammer it. Oh, there you go.
Oh,
Lord,
wow.
she's good at this.
That's my helper.
Yes, good girl.
Hey guys, long time no see. We've pretty much just been filming and not editing. So we're in the Evo as a family once again, going to a car show for Hazel. It's a little trunk or treat.
A car show for Hazel.
Yeah, we're making it Hazel's time because it's probably one of the last, well actually there's one more after this, but it's one of the last biggest car shows out in this area before winter hits and the salt comes and the winter snow just ruins everything. Hazel sounds like she wants to talk back there. We've been trying to teach her how to whisper, and now I'm vlogging and I'm like basically yelling. So she's starting to yell again. But we're on our way. We'll update you when we get there. I'm filming hopefully for the Ben's Garage. You'll see that as well in a few days. So, let's go. Say hi, yeah, 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 yeah. All right, guys, we are here. That's where all the trick-or-treating is going on. And they've got cars all over the place. And Hazel's a little monkey. Are you ready, Hazel? Her first time trick-or-treating.
I thought I could wrap it around her hand, but...
She looks so funny.
Oh, oh, ah, ah. Oh, oh, ah, ah.
Run into the car.
Oh, oh, ah, ah. All right, we're going. We're gonna go see what kind of tricks and treats they have. Daddy said get a Snickers. Put it in the basket. Put it in there. Put it in here. Look. Yay! Thank you. Okay, let's go to the next one. Put this inside the basket.
Hazel, you can grab another
Here,
one.
here's a banana for the monkey. Put it in the basket. Put it in here. Put it in here, Hazel. Say trick or treat. Thank you. Oh, she's scared of that guy.
Hazel, you see the puppy?
Oh, look at the bear.
Come on, stick it in the basket. I think Daddy wants that one. Put it in the basket.
Kristen found her Jeep she wants. The truck.
Oh, I want that.
It's pretty nice. Oh, Hazel's doing it.
Pick one up. Yay!
Put it in the bag.
You did it! You gotta pick up.
We're gonna go to the next car. This is the one time you can actually get close to the cars.
I bet you look, it's my own.
Yeah. Hazel.
It's no longer a show car.
Come on.
Put it in the basket. Put it in there.
Did you get it?
Smell all that sugar. Yay! You got one. Yay!
What's going on? So cute.
You got it. You got it.
Put it in here, baby. Oh, you want a different one? Just pick one. No, no, no. That's too many. Thank you. Put a new one.
Good job. Yay!
Wow!
You got two. Put it in the bag.
You did it. The bag. Put it in the bag. Oh, yay! I caught it. filming everything. Filming you, filming me.
Hazel's been dancing non-stop. You breaking it down? Well, we're heading out. It was a good time. Hopefully I can create something cool for the Ben's Garage, and there'll be a link in the description below. Hey guys, we are back home. Sorry we didn't talk to you much. I'm not sure what Kristen filmed while I was filming my stuff for the Ben's Garage, but it was tough filming for 2 channels. It definitely is tough. Tomorrow is Hazel's official birthday party. We're gonna have an event. It's gonna be at the park where we rode the train. I don't know if you remember, if you go back a few vlogs, you'll see that we rode a train in a park. It's gonna be at that same park, and we're gonna have lots of little kids and family running around. It's gonna be a good time, so come back for that. Hazel and Kristen already went to bed. Hazel just wasn't having it for the ride home. It's way past her bedtime. We always do that to her, and we feel really bad. But she's got a big day tomorrow, so they're already in bed, they're already sleeping, and I'm gonna head there as well after I edit this vlog. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye.